Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an easy, simple and easy to remember essay on World Environment Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. Second line is, its main objective is to make people aware of the protection and conservation of the environment. Third line is, this day was first celebrated in 1972. Fourth line is, since then it is celebrated every year with a new theme. Fifth line is, the theme in 2025 will be combating plastic pollution. Sixth line is, this year's event focuses on the urgent need to eliminate plastic waste. Seventh line is, plastic pollution is a serious problem that is harming our seas, water flows, and other aspects of life. Eighth line is, this year we should take a pledge that we will not use single-use plastic, keep our surroundings clean, and also make others aware against plastic pollution. Ninth line is, even a small effort can make a big difference to the environment. Last line, that is line number 10 is, through World Environment Day, we can make a new promise to preserve our environment.